Hello, everyone. Today is my wife's birthday, and I have a secret mission to steal a birthday kiss. But will she allow it? Or will I be chased away with a broom? Stay and find out. Today is your birthday, my dear.
Yes, I am 1 year older again.
You are still beautiful to me.
Oh, stop it. You need glasses.
I have a special birthday gift.
Really? Where is it?
Come closer first.
Why? That sounds suspicious.
I want to give you a kiss.
What? No.
Please? Just a small birthday kiss.
We are old, not teenagers.
Love has no age.
My back has an age.
Please, just one kiss.
People will laugh at us.
Let them laugh. I love you.
I love you too, but no kissing.
Why not?
Because I just brushed my teeth.
That is even better.
No, it is too fresh.
I will be gentle.
You said that last time.
What happened last time?
You fell asleep during the kiss.
That was a romantic nap.
That was embarrassing.
Come on, just one.
No, my lipstick is expensive.
I will not touch the lipstick.
Then where will you kiss?
On your cheek.
My cheek is also expensive.
Everything about you is expensive.
Of course, I am high quality.
I saved money for this moment.
You should save money for medicine.
My medicine is your love.
That sounds sweet, but still no.
Please, birthday girl.
Stop calling me girl.
You are my girl forever.
I am your grandmother forever.
One kiss, I beg you.
You are very stubborn.
Only because I love you.
Only because you are naughty.
I was handsome when I was young.
You are funny now.
Funny men deserve a kiss.
Funny men deserve soup.
Soup cannot replace a kiss.
Soup is safer.
I am not dangerous.
You almost broke your tooth yesterday.
That was just a small accident.
Your teeth are not strong anymore.
Then kiss me gently.
Now you want me to kiss you?
Yes, fair deal.
You are very clever today.
Birthday magic!
Birthday trouble.
Just one kiss and I will be quiet.
You are never quiet.
I promise.
You promise too much.
Please. Is that a yes?
Maybe.
I am ready.
Wait.
What now?
Close your eyes.
Okay, I am closing them.
Good.
I am waiting.
Happy birthday to me.
Where is my kiss?
Here is your cake instead.
Cake again?
Yes, sweet like me.
I still want a kiss.
Maybe next birthday.
Fine, I will wait.
Good boy.
But I will ask again tomorrow.
Oh no, here we go again.